The Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System Blender with a smooth operation, user-friendly features, and versatile attachment make an exceptional choice for both novice cooks and culinary experts. Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to another day at Healthy Kitchen 101. The Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System is a prime example of Ninja's exceptional and conventional approach in the market. In this case, this one is a blender-mixer combo. But how will it fare in the kitchen? Let's take a look. Test number 1. Hot soup puree. Our testing of the Ninja Foodi's pureeing performance delivered exceptional results. The machine's blades quickly created a flawlessly smooth puree in an astonishing 30 seconds. The final product was not just tactilely smooth but also impeccably uniform in texture. Straining revealed only trace amounts of solids. 10 out of 10. This suggested the Foodi's outstanding ability to thoroughly extract the essence and nutrients of the soup ingredients. Test number 2. Frozen fruit smoothie. With the Ninja, we achieved a frozen fruit smoothie with a velvety, creamy consistency. Even challenging ingredients like fibrous leafy greens, like kale, were smoothly transformed into a fine puree with ease. This outcome, however, was not without its challenges. The entire blending process took nearly 3 minutes, significantly longer than expected, and almost 3 times slower than our quickest blender, the Braun Multi-Quick 5. This delay was partially due to the mismatch between the blender's large head and the included beaker, which restricted the blade's movement and limited their ability to circulate and blend the fruits efficiently. Nonetheless, we believe that with a blending container more appropriately sized to match its head, the Foodi could not only continue to deliver high-quality blends, but also become an ideal solution for those in search of smooth and quick blending results. For now, it's a 6.8 out of 10. Test number 3. Mayonnaise. In this test, we used the Ninja Foodi's whisk attachment to prepare mayonnaise and recorded a completion time of 1 minute and 45 seconds. While this wasn't the fastest time we've seen, it was still within a reasonable range. The resulting mayonnaise had a satisfactory emulsion, though it was somewhat greasier than ideal, likely due to the size of the oil droplets within the mixture. Plus, the texture was initially stable and maintained shape, but a few hours later we noticed weeping, indicating a decline in emulsion stability over time. 7.8 out of 10. Test number 4. Almond milk. Starting with soaked almonds, we introduced them to our Ninja Foodi along with water. The blender's turbo feature activated a vigorous, yet controlled whirl, turning the almonds into a finely milled mixture in above 1 minute. Upon straining, the pulp was a bit coarser compared to what you might get from the likes of the Braun. Yet, the almond milk itself was delightfully creamy. 8 out of 10. Test number 5. Whipped egg whites. Outfitted with its whisk attachment, the Ninja Foodi shifts its role from immersion blender to a competent hand mixer. This versatility shone through during our egg white whipping test, where it effortlessly achieved steep peaks in just under 2 minutes, 10 out of 10. The overall score for our 5 performance test is 8.4 out of 10. Design. The Ninja's exceptional build quality is evident in every aspect. The blending shaft is engineered to fit securely into the motor body, guaranteeing stable operation. Additionally, the blades are crafted from hardened stainless steel, a choice that ensures they maintain their sharpness over time and resist corrosion. The 4-prong blade is complemented by 2 additional notches or fin. They are likely designed to help with the circulation of ingredients and to reduce suction at the bottom of the container. The entire blade assembly is encased within a shroud featuring built-in pan guards. These guards serve as a buffer between the blades and your cookware. In blender mode, the Ninja provides a standard speed for routine blending tasks and a turbo option for tougher challenges. However, as a hand mixer, it features a gradation of 5 distinct speed levels. After a few months of usage, we noticed that the white paint along the trim has started to show signs of chipping and wear. Nonetheless, this is purely a cosmetic concern and doesn't impact the blender's performance. 9.6 out of 10 for design. Usability. The Ninja sets itself apart with dual ejection buttons designed for immediate response. When it comes to reassembling, the parts naturally orient themselves correctly. With a gentle push, the attachment slides into place and you can hear a reassuring click. We commend the ergonomic design of the Ninja Foodi Immersion Blender for its comfortable grip. The thumb-accessible power button is another plus. Yet, it's worth mentioning that the hefty weight of the blender could be a drawback for those with weaker hand strength. Rinsing the blender under the tap generally removes most residues. However, for stickier substances such as mayonnaise, manual cleaning with dish soap was essential for more thorough cleanse. During this, we had difficulty in reaching and cleaning the back side of the blades. The narrow space between the blades and their housing restricted the movement of a sponge or cloth. 8.7 out of 10 for usability. For a blend of efficiency, quality, and affordability, the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer system is a compelling pick, especially for those on the lookout for a blender-mixer combo. Our hands-on experience reveals this blender excels in nearly every aspect. Its performance is top-notch, offering a smooth and efficient blending experience. It borrows the practicality of a standard handheld blender, but elevates it with a touch of luxury. And while its sizable design may not suit your kitchen, imagine the convenience of effortlessly blending, whisking, and kneading with just a single sleek appliance. Final score, 8.6 out of 10. And there you have it, the full review of the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer system. If you're interested in the blender, there's an Amazon link in the description below. We couldn't include all the specs and every detail on the blender in a single video, so you can check them out on our website. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe so that you won't miss our future uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!